So guys, guess what we're gonna make today? We're gonna make a bourbon, bacon, brown sugar, sweet potato casserole. Today I'm using the PowerXL Vortex, but you can use any of the air fryers that you have. So why don't we get right into the recipe? What do you think? Didn't want to bore you with this step, you guys, but I use sweet potatoes. You just cut them, cube them, cook them, and then mash them. You take this and you pop it into your air fryer. Man, oh man, it is absolutely fantastic. Enjoy your bacon, bourbon, sweet potato casserole with lots of brown sugar.
Sounds good.